Another great website I want to tell you about, guys, is builtwith.com. So this is a website where you can analyze a website and see what kind of platform they're built on, what kind of software they're using, what kind of apps sometimes, what kind of marketing, and what kind of supportive content network they're using. So this is really, really powerful as well. So go to builtwith.com and paste in the URL you want to test and search lookup. And now we've got a range of tools they are using. So obviously they're using Klaviyo for tracking, for marketing, and they're using Signal software. They're using those software tools as well. They're obviously using Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, so we can see that they use Facebook marketing, additional widgets. So if we like, for example, their font, we can see that they are using custom app for fonts, Google Shopping, fast click statistics, Google Tag Manager, and other tools as well. And obviously it's built on Shopify, but this is really powerful because if you like the functionality of the website, you can look up what they're using and you can use the same software. So it's really powerful and really in depth. So this is builtwith.com and it's completely free.